Hi, I'm Matt. I'm here at the Woodworking Network. I'm here at MB Machinery with Mike. And we're taking a look at a now official award-winning machine.
MB Maschinenbau is a German-based company concentrated on sanding solutions, but also solutions for the industry. And we're able to do custom applications. We saw an application in the industry that seemed slow and large footprint, so our owner, Ronald Bush, developed the Fusion. The goal of the Fusion is to be able to do cabinet doors, the edging at a quick, high speed, changing over sizes very quickly in a short footprint. So we're always cutting with a flat surface, always straight. We've got a 6-profile tool changer, so we can do up to 6 profiles changing automatically. And then we have the scanner that will read the part width.
And correct me if I'm wrong, you can run 2 different tools at the same time.
Correct. We're running a jump cope and a cope on both sides. We've done a quick changeover of sizes with no person in between, just machine auto scanning, went from one size to the other, square door, short footprint.
I'll throw in my 2 cents. Basically what I'm seeing is you're getting perfect square, it's 1-step production, 1 shot. And the door opens and closes fast. So you're not stopping and having to change your settings for height or size. It's intuitively handling it. I appreciate your time today.
Thank you.
Thank you.